So one of the genuinely dumbest ideas in all of science is this notion that convection is what powers storms. It's so completely dumb that you won't really find the people who are telling you it's true actually defending it. They have a few ways of diverting attention from their dumbness, but they aren't actually going to put themselves in a situation where their dumbness can be exposed. And so when I approached the science of water and started asking questions specifically to get a better understanding of what's going on with its surface tension, I had a different perspective than, let's say, most people would have. And a lot of it had to do with my experience that I had with meteorology. They realized, and correctly so, that we really don't have a good understanding of what's happening in storms. Why aren't meteorologists telling you this? Go ask them. Go ask them, why aren't you guys telling us that this is wrong? Why aren't you looking for what is right? They won't have an answer, other than to tell you that they're experts and that therefore they don't have to listen to what you have to say. And that's essentially what the whole argument will come down to. You'll never get them to admit that they don't actually understand something. Their understanding is complete nonsense. The most important thing to understand is don't take experts' opinion for anything. As you see in meteorology, they have a nonsense understanding of the atmosphere, and that nonsense understanding is something they stick to, basically because for political reasons. There's no scientific reason to stick to a nonsense notion. And the political reasons simply have to do with the fact that it's simpler to explain something to the public and to keep the public's confidence if you're explaining something very simple. So their mandate is that, hey, we're allowed to keep you dumb, and we're doing it for your own safety, because we want to make sure that you pay attention to our forecasts. And so it's not like there's anything, even to dispute, and they know that. They're not going to dispute it with you. It's a non-argument as far as they're concerned. It's basically, I'm the expert, you're not. But don't fall for that.